Hey guys, my name is Crypto June and I want to make a new YouTube series where I explain the latest news of the crypto market of last week. So crypto can be very well overwhelmed because there are happening a lot of things every day, every week, and probably you are very busy, and in this video I want to highlight the most important things of this week in under of 10 minutes. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe because every Friday I will upload this video. So guys, what is on the table for this week? I want to talk about specific content. And the first topic is Germany is selling their Bitcoin and they are currently completely sold out. It is amazing to see that the country was dumping the Bitcoins. Of course, we saw a pullback, but after that we saw a huge price increase and they sold it. Not in a loss, but they sold it with, if they kept their Bitcoins, there was so much more profit for them. But they sold it and they became greedy. I will tell you more about that. So the first topic, Germany is selling Bitcoin. The second topic I want to talk about that is also very important for the crypto market is the Ethereum ETF. And the third topic I want to talk about, and I think you already heard about it, is Trump was shot. And also he is launching his own NFT collection probably soon. So this guy is a genius. Like we already saw earlier on an NFT collection of him and it was so nice that it sold out immediately. And yeah, he's a real businessman. I want to talk about Trump NFTs, but also Trump shot. And the fourth topic is Mt. Gox. And in case you don't know Mt. Gox is an exchange that was bankrupt in 2014, but they start paying back the users with a lot of Bitcoins. So this is the fourth topic of this video. And the fifth topic I want to talk about is WazarX. And this is an exchange that is located in India and they got hacked for several hundred of millions. So I want to talk about this topic also. And as the sixth topic of this video, Terra Luna. If you're longer in crypto, you probably know Terra Luna. And they're selling the companies to pay several fines to the SEC. So these are topics. I think we should start with the first video of this YouTube series. Guys, again, if you're not subscribed to the Crypto June channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Recently, we reached 5,000 subscribers. So it will be amazing if you can like and subscribe if you like this kind of topics about the news, but also about the market in general or hidden gems on the channel, because we are finding hidden gems together with the community. So also in the link inside the description, we have 50 free spots in the paid group. So if you're on Telegram, don't forget to join the Telegram group inside the description so we can discuss crypto and also about the market with each other. So let's start with the first topic. And the first topic I want to talk about is the Bitcoin price, guys. It's doing amazing lately. We saw a pullback with Germany selling, of course, but after that, we now see a huge price increase of around 20%. And this is fantastic to see. So why was this dump of the Bitcoin price lately? So this was because of the German government. They sold their Bitcoin, and not a small amount. As we can see, they were holding $2.1 billion of Bitcoin on the 18th of January in 2024. They bought them or sent them to a wallet, and after that, we saw a huge price increase for the wallet. They have some nice profits. It was like 3.5 billion here worth, but out of nowhere on the 1st of July, they start selling Bitcoin, and this results in a price increase. People were in panic because they saw that $3.5 billion worth of Bitcoin was going to the open market, and this results in a huge price decrease. We saw a dump of the days after of 16%, but the government is sold out. The price is even higher than the moment that they start selling. So it's nice to see that the paper hands are out and that they lost money on that sell transaction. So it's completely done, the FUD is gone, and they don't own any more Bitcoins. The second topic of this video, that is the Ethereum ETF. And the Ethereum ETF is almost approved. I see a lot of stuff that is probably next week that the Ethereum ETF will be approved. This is also nice to see. And what my prediction is of the Ethereum price, I think this sketch a nice price prediction. So what we see on the left side, we see Bitcoin 2017. We see a top, and then again, it broke out, and then we saw this kind of chart. And I also think that it's very doable for Ethereum during this bull run to reach $10,000. And also, guys, I want to say these are the complete overview of the Ethereum ETFs that are able to be approved. And I hope all of them, of course, but probably most of them. We can see we may have just gotten the last chance to sweep the Ethereum dip. We have all been waiting for this finally here. US SEC just approved not 1 or 2, but 10 ETF spots next week. Of course, we are not sure, but let's see how it goes. But probably it will be approved next week. Although this is primarily approval, it doesn't take away from the bullish sentiment the news will provoke for Ethereum. As last part of the Ethereum ETF, I want to talk about what happens afterwards when the Bitcoin ETF was approved. So on the 10th of January, the Bitcoin ETF was approved, and everybody thought it will go to the moon afterwards. But guys, I have to say, like, what happens was the total opposite. We saw the Ethereum ETF was approved and nothing happened inside the chart, because what happens was a lot of people were already inside the market. Everybody was already aiming for the moonshot, so they bought themselves in. The Bitcoin price was increasing beforehand already, and then nothing happened. A lot of newbies thought they will be millionaires in 1 week, so they sold. They dumped their Bitcoin because nothing happens, and this results in panic. People sold their Bitcoin, and there was a dump of 10% in only 1 or 2 days. But after that, we saw a huge more in price decreasement, because more and more people start panicking, and it results in 20% drop. But of course, after FUD, there is always something positive. People start buying more Bitcoin, the sellers are out, and we saw a huge price increase. And this was the result. Bitcoin goes from 38,000 all the way up to 74,000, above the previous all-time high. So what do I expect from Ethereum when the ETF is approved? I will tell you guys. So what I expect is the ETF will be approved, and afterwards we have a small sell-off event, because I think the same guys who also panicked after the Bitcoin ETF will also sell right now, because they're very emotional and new to the market. But after that, the ETF will start loading in new money into the market, and this is the moment Ethereum will run way higher. So I am buying dollar cost average Ethereum right now, but I also did it already earlier. I have a nice bag of Ethereum, and let's ride Ethereum to 10,000. That's my price prediction, 10,000, a nice amount of, and also a nice price of Ethereum. The third topic I want to talk about is Trump, and he got shot. We can see Bitcoin rise to 62,000 after Trump's attack, because he survived the attack, and this gives more publicity to Trump, because Trump is a huge supporter of the crypto space. He has also made earlier on already his own NFT collection. I want to show you that. This was the website, Trump collection, $99, and the price is still way above that. It sold out immediately, and it is nice to see that the guys are running an own NFT collection. He's a genius. I really love Trump and the way he's doing business. I'm not agreeing with all of them and also his opinions, but of course, he is a businessman, and I like businessmen who are very creative and doing things. So what he is also doing is an upcoming new NFT collection. We can read an interview with Bloomberg. He is saying Trump expressed his satisfaction with the success after his previous NFT collection, which sold out quickly. The whole thing sold out 45,000 cards immediately, and it did also 3 times on launch. I'm going to do another one. So keep an eye on Trump's account probably if you want to join his next NFT collection. The fourth topic of this video is about Mt. Gox. And in case you don't know, Mt. Gox is an exchange that was active in 2014, and during 2014 they became bankrupt. It was something that what goes wrong there, and as we can read, February 2014, after a series of highs that saw up to 950,000 Bitcoin worth of up to $58 billion at today's price, vanished. After declaring bankrupt, Mt. Gox still has 140,000 Bitcoins, and they were recovered. So this means that still $9 billion is worth of Bitcoin can be returned to the owners. And why it is still a huge amount? Why? Is because at the time in 2014, Bitcoin was only trading at $600, and today's price is 54,000. In this article, today is way higher because it's another 10,000 on each Bitcoin. So the price of $9 billion is way higher right now. So some people are a little bit afraid of a huge Bitcoin dump, but I think if we look at this thing, This is the total realized cap, and the market cap of Mt. Gox is like this. So to be honest, I think it is only a short-term FUD event based on what is ongoing right now. If Bitcoin is falling, don't worry about it, guys. Everything will be fine. It looks higher than it is because the total market cap is way higher. And also, Mt. Gox already sent 65% to the customers as a refund. So most of the refund is already done. And to give you a perspective of how many Bitcoins they have and how many Bitcoins 140,000 Bitcoins is, in one day, they gained 500 million on their holdings by a price increase of Bitcoin. 500 million in just one day. It's insane. And we can see another 45,000 Bitcoins is already distributed of the remaining 90,000. There is still 45,000 Bitcoins left. We are almost done with this. So the fifth topic I want to talk about in this video is WazarX exchange. This exchange got recently hacked for 235 millions, and they are exploited for 149 million worth of altcoins. Also, they are transferred to Ethereum, and these amounts are insane. And like, I'm still surprised that people as an exchange don't have the security on point. I hope they will recover, but I see and I think that, yeah, it's done for them. But of course, I don't know. I don't use the exchange myself, but it results, of course, in some sell-off on the charts of the affected altcoins. And the sixth topic of this video, and the last one, is Terraform. I think you can know Terraform from the coin Luna. Luna Classic was in 2021 and 2022 very popular. It had an all-time high of $104, but in just one day it dumped from $77 all the way down to 0.000001, and a lot of people lost so much money on this project, but also the ecosystem. People were able to stake UST for an APY of around 10-12%. Everything looks very clean and very good. Everything was working very clearly, but out of nowhere there was an exploit of the project, and that resulted in an insane price decrease. So the project was dead, but the SEC was hunting down the founder, and this founder needs to pay a lot of fines. So he needs to pay in total $4.5 billion in fines as an agreement with them. But yeah, the money needs to come from somewhere. So Terra Labs need to sell Pulsar Finance and also Station Wallet, Enterprise DAO, and also Warp Protocol. And Pulsar Finance is a portfolio manager and tracking software. Station Wallet is a decentralized wallet. And Enterprise DAO is a protocol to grow DAOs within the Cosmos ecosystem, but also manage them. And the last one, Warp Protocol, is a decentralized automation layer for the Cosmos ecosystem. And this is a smart protocol platform. It's funny that it is already 2 years later and they're still ongoing. And also 4.5 billion isn't a lot of money. I think with selling 4 of these platforms, they will get a lot of money from it, but I think 4.5 billion is still a lot to pay back from these kind of things, because they are not working anymore. Nobody trusts the platforms. But let's see, and that is a funny development for this week. Guys, so this is the end of this news video. I tried to do it under of 10 minutes, but it doesn't fit. It was way longer. But also, if you have feedback about this video, I want to do it every Friday. So I appreciate a comment if you like this kind of content, but also let me know what kind of content you want to see or how can I improve it, because of course we are still doing it not for a long time, and I will appreciate all the feedback. So guys, thanks for watching this first episode. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.